So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel The Dusky Mermaid. My name is Himanshi Singh and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for fun content. Today I'm going to recreate my favorite YouTuber's best look, not the obvious, one of the best looks. That YouTuber is Debasree Banerjee. I hope I'm not pronouncing your name incorrect. If I am, then I'm really sorry. But I really like her videos. She's so versatile, she's so soft spoken, and she's amazing in her art. And I really liked her makeup, this what it is called, soap brows and dewy skin. She did this makeup using various expensive products because I don't have them, so I'll be using all the drugstore products and they are super affordable. So let's just start doing the makeup without wasting any time.
Start by prepping our base because it's so important for this look. I am using the Farsali Unicorn Serum first and it just makes your skin so dewy.
मेरे पास फरसाली तो नहीं है बट मेरे पास ये है मिनीसो से, मेरा सस्ता वाला लिया हुआ. I'll be using this serum. ये बहुत अच्छा serum है and it is very light because my skin is oily, so it suits me really well. It hydrates well.
And you need to try the Glam Glow Starter Cream if you want that super radiant dewy effect. Just on its own gives you that amazing glow.
She is using Glam Glow की cream, but as usual because I'm broke तो मेरे पास वो भी नहीं है, so I'll be using this Neemli Day Cream. It is really nice. Finally खुल गई. This cream is really very nice for oily skin especially because this is so light and whipped and it really makes my skin glow and look really radiant. I'll put the link to this cream in description box. I think you should definitely try it. It's one of the best day creams जिसने मुझे कोई pimple नहीं किया. Okay Debasree, what's next? आगे क्या करूँ मैं?
For foundation, I'm using the Double Wear Nude Water Fresh and this gives that very skin-like effect. Very light. I wanted something very translucent.
I'll be using this Maybelline one and this works really nice if you want that, जो जैसा कि Debasree ने बोला कि एक translucent finish बहुत अच्छी सी. It really works well और मैं हमेशा ये यूज़ करती हूँ because एक यही है जो मेरी स्किन को सूट करता है. So did you guys noticed कि how sweet she is? वो कितना cute बोलती है hello guys और फिर आप लोगों को मेरी बात होगी hello guys. I mean, भगवान एक बंदी को सब कुछ दे देता है. She is beautiful, her voice is amazing, and then here I am. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and please subscribe if you haven't already.
And I spent much more time with my concealer and I first began by applying it underneath my eyes and I
said concealer सिर्फ आंखों के नीचे लगाना है, so I'll be doing that. मैक्सिमम मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स Maybelline के ही हैं क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा करके Maybelline ही लेती हूँ because I think Maybelline is really good. उसकी क्वालिटी भी अच्छी होती है and it's very affordable also. So now I'll blend it.
And for powder, I am only applying it where the concealer was applied because we do not want to reduce any of the dewiness.
Applying powder only where concealer is, so let's do the powder. I don't have split splats rose water, so I'll just drop some rose water like this. I think that's enough. A spoolie like this. Load up the soap on the spoolie.
Brushing all of my eyebrow hair upwards. This is super easy to do and using soap really makes this effect long lasting. For this look, it was very important for me to open up my eyes. So I
actually looks so good. I think मेरे eyebrows कुछ ज़्यादा ही हैं. Debasree के बहुत perfect amount है. मेरे forehead पे तो eyebrows ही eyebrows हैं. I have a lot more eyebrows than Debasree.
It was very important for me to open up my eyes, so I spent a good amount of time curling my eyelashes.
I don't like this step. I hate these things. ये मैंने एक बार भी यूज नहीं किया, just लेके रखा हुआ है. सीधा कौन सा उल्टा कौन
Favorite mascaras from Maybelline, and you don't even need false lashes when you use this.
I'll also use my favorite mascara from Maybelline, but it's not the same that she is using, but still this is also good, and I'll show you कि कैसे अभी मेरी lashes dramatically ऐसी हो जाएंगी. It's done. I think my eyes are really looking open up.
I think this was my favorite step in the entire process, just using liquid blush and building it up slowly. I absolutely...
But I do have the stick blush. I do get the point why she's using a liquid blush, because she don't want powder blush से ये area matte हो जाएगा, that we don't want. So I'll also be using this. And what she do is use the same foundation brush. So I'll be using the same foundation brush.
Using a liquid highlighter. First, we're going to use a lot of highlighter, and I'm using a patting motion to pat it on top of
my favorite part, the highlighter time. So I have the same highlighter that she have, Nykaa Strobe and Glow Liquid Highlighter in shade Gold Mine. What is she using? Yep, the same shade. She kind of drops a little bit of highlighter on her hand. Okay, I think मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही ले लिया. What a glow. And she is using the packing motion on her neck and shoulders.
Using a lip balm is actually one of my favorite tricks to get that glossy, wet looking highlighter look.
Using a lip balm, and she is applying it on her lids. Let's do this. I don't think I am open to apply lip balm on my cheeks, but because she's doing it, so let's do it then, just a little bit.
I'm taking a powder highlighter, in this case this Ofra one, which is amazing, and I'm just tapping.
Powder highlighter again, the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. It's really good. You should definitely try it if you haven't. And then what she do is she lightly tap this on her cheekbones. My glowing goddess. थोड़ा सा shoulders पे भी लगा लेती हूँ, ज़्यादा effect आएगा.
And the lip balm and the powder highlighter together is going to give this beautiful glossy dewy effect.
On eyelids.
For lips, I'm using a powder puff lipstick because that really gives that lift in effect instead of like a super harsh line that a liquid lip color gives.
She's using that Powerpuff Nykaa lipstick that retails for ₹900, and I don't want to purchase a 900 lipstick, so I'm using this. ये खाली हो चुकी है, तो इसका जो ब्रश है ना वो काफ़ी पफ जैसा हो चुका है, तो आई थिंक इससे काफ़ी डिफ्यूज लुक आएगा, सेम दैट Debasree is saying. So let's see. Yep, see. It's not very stark, but it's doing its job.
Video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this and found this helpful. I tried putting in as many tips as
His makeup. And I hope you guys liked the video, and do watch her video full version so that you will you'll know more. and I have put the link in my description. जो भी मैंने cosmetics use किए हैं, I'll also put their link in the description box. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and comment down below how you liked it and if you want to recreate it. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is the Dusky Mermaid. The link is in the description box. So हंसो जियो मुस्कुराओ, क्योंकि क्वारंटीन खत्म हो चुका है, अब तो बाहर जाने का टाइम अभी नहीं आया है. घर पे रहो, सेफ रहो, क्योंकि क्वारंटीन खत्म हुआ है, वो भी पार्शियली, पूरी तरह से नहीं, बट द वायरस इज स्टिल हेयर. सो डोंट गो आउट, हैव फन इन योर होम, do makeup, recreate the makeup looks, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.